I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas acting they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas acting they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that Addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch.
Hey, yes, sir, man. Y'all make sure y'all lock into my boy Santana Scat, man. He doing big things in the city. You know, he bringing the groups to the city, bringing Lane House to the city, man. President of it. So y'all make sure y'all lock in with him and his YouTube channel, man. Go ahead and run his numbers up for your boy, man. He's certified, real talk.
Yes, sir. Y'all make sure you check my boy Rubix_3 out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There we go, man. Check him out on both platforms. My dog is doing big things.
I got the loudest Hemi in the city.
Definitely growing, yes. Well, yeah, he definitely got the loudest Hemi. But now my boy Kato got the loudest Scat, so I'm waiting to see what he does next. I know he's gonna bring some
I'm
heat.
just talking junk, man. I'm just talking junk.
Yeah, but he got a super stock assault on the way. He don't want to tell nobody. So he gonna be bringing some heat soon, man.
All right, man. Y'all follow y'all boy Scatpat_Zach, man, on YouTube and Instagram, man.
Yes, sir. My boy back on the scene, get some more videos, and y'all make sure you check him out. We out here at the MPR car show, man. They got Stunna Reese up there in the front, believe 392. Miss Kerig is out here. We got I Caught You Looking back there with the green. I'm gonna go check out all the whips, man. But you see, it's a pretty nice little turnout. They've been out here since 9 in the morning. They're here till 5, so it's gonna be a long day. So cars are coming and going. Y'all stay tuned. Let's see what we got going on. shouted itself out earlier. Loudest Hemi in the city. Got the rest of Queen City challenges right here. I got a couple. Melrose, a bit. Got this one from Mamba. One here. Black Mamba 392. And then we got a little drag car right there, man. That shit is crazy. One of best. Hell yeah. Y'all check that shit out, man.
I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no capping my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no capping my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, cause she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bomber Cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the Zoe, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry, I couldn't eat, so